Ever wondered if there's a better way to edit your photos in Lightroom than with a traditional mouse? Today, we're diving into the big question: do you really need a graphics tablet for Lightroom? While not strictly required, a tablet can significantly enhance precision and fluidity in your editing. Let's be clear up front, you can absolutely edit fantastic photos in Lightroom with just a mouse. For basic adjustments like exposure, contrast, and white balance, a mouse works perfectly fine. However, where a tablet truly shines is in tasks that demand fine motor control and a natural, pen-like feel. Think about brushing on local adjustments for dodge and burn, or creating intricate masks around complex subjects with a stylus. You get unparalleled control, almost like drawing directly on your image. The pressure sensitivity of a graphics tablet is a game changer. Light pressure can apply subtle effects, while heavier pressure can intensify them, giving you a level of nuance that's difficult to achieve with a mouse's on-off click. Beyond precision, a tablet often feels more intuitive and ergonomic, reducing strain on your wrist during long editing sessions. Ultimately, whether a tablet is right for your workflow depends on your editing style and the types of adjustments you frequently make. If you're often doing detailed local corrections or creative brushing, a tablet can be a transformative tool. So, do you need a tablet? Not necessarily, but it can definitely elevate your Lightroom experience. Consider trying one out, and you might just discover your new favorite editing tool.